Hi there, I'm Daniel. I've just bought a new bookcase. All I need to do is put it together. Shouldn't be difficult. After all I need to do is follow the instructions. Okay. This might not be as easy as I thought. I don't know why I'm surprised. People have warned me about flat pack furniture. Almost everybody has a story about complicated instructions and missing parts. But it's incredibly popular. And today, most people own at least one piece of flat pack furniture. So, how has this concept come to dominate the entire furniture industry? Well, the story begins with a man called Eri J. Sauder. Sauder owned a furniture business in Ohio in the 1930s. He made benches, but with the spare wood, he made small coffee tables. Because Sauder used leftover wood, the tables were cheap, but high quality. In 1940, two travelling salesmen noticed these tables. They really liked them. So they took one and displayed it at a furniture show in Chicago. A few days later, they returned with an order for 25,000 tables. Sauder had to transport all of these new tables to Chicago, so he invented furniture that he could take apart and put into boxes. This made it easy to transport, and people could put it together at home. He patented the idea in 1951, and the ready-to-assemble furniture industry was born. But the idea didn't become popular immediately. 5 years later, a Swedish man named Gillis Lundgren was moving some furniture. He had never heard of ready-to-assemble furniture, and he was finding it very difficult to fit a table into his car. But then he realized that if he took the legs off, he would be able to put it in the car and put it together again at home. He discussed the idea with his employers, a small local firm called IKEA. And they loved it and decided to focus their entire business on it. IKEA launched their first flat pack product in 1956. Today, it's the largest furniture retailer in the world, generating sales of over 27 billion euros a year. So it's safe to say that the flat pack concept has been a huge success. Today, almost everybody has a flat pack wardrobe, table or bookcase. But did you know that there are entire flat pack rooms? You can have a flat pack bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen. You can even build an entire house out of flat pack. There are many reasons why this type of furniture has been successful. Manufacturers are able to produce it quickly and transport it easily, so it's cheaper and more convenient than other furniture. And while it might look complicated at first, it is generally very well designed, so it's very, very easy to put together. In fact, anyone can do it. I'm nearly finished, and I've only been working on it for a few minutes. I haven't used these bits, but they're probably not important. So, what do you think?